Through our rounds, we thought that installer was the best.
Lett for oss å ha full kontroll over alle ordre som kommer inn.
They're really enjoying this digital journey.
The best process out there is now Obs BYGG Montering.
Obs is one of Norway's largest and most trusted brands when it comes to home improvements and building supplies. It is known to be the go-to destination for everyone that likes to do things themselves. But not everyone wants to go DIY. That's why Coop launched Obs BYGG Montering, offering installation services for a wide range of products. And the list is growing. But with greater service comes greater complexity, more people, more jobs, and more things to coordinate, making it harder to really stay close to your customer and ensuring you get the best customer journey. So for Coop to scale this service and to ensure that you get the best customer journey, they partnered up with us to ensure that everything runs smoothly.
My name is Kenneth. I work in strategy and business development in Coop, and I'm part of the founding team of Obs BYGG Montering. Historically, when a customer wants something installed, they start by finding the right installer. We want to change this up a bit. What we see is that our customers, they want to start with the product. They want to find the right product that they want to install. It could be doors, it could be windows, flooring, whatever. Whichever product is sold at Obs BYGG, we want to be able to install it for the customers. With the install platform, we have decentralized the workflows by connecting the customers and the installers closer together. This allows us a higher amount of orders and a higher amount of installments at the customer's house. Our customers usually start online at our web shop or in the physical warehouses.
Hei, jeg heter Roar, jobber med Obs BYGG Sandnes. Nå vil jeg vise deg et par steg i forhold til hvordan Obs BYGG Montering fungerer. 3 enkle steg for kunden. Kunde kan bestille monteringstjeneste på web, eller komme ned i butikk og få hjelp, enten i kasse, eller bruke enkel QR-kode til å bestille befaring. Steg 2. Kunde får bekreftelse per SMS innen 3 dager om ønsket befaring. Punkt 3. Kunde kommer tilbake til butikk, betaler for monteringstjeneste og eventuelt handleliste. Den kan bestilles på nett, eller vi kan være med kunden og plukke ut varer som trengs for å utføre oppdrag. Nå er det veldig lett for oss å ha full kontroll over alle ordre som kommer inn. For oss er det inspirerende å selge produkter i butikkene som også tilbys monteringstjenester, og da er det veldig enkelt for oss til å ha et back-end-system og ha full oversikt.
Finally, Coop Obs BYGG is offering full installation services from Coop Obs BYGG Montering. And we are super excited to be a part of this. For Norsk Klimasenter, it means that we will get access to a lot of more installations, and the customer will get a fully digital, amazing journey from A to Z. So when the customer is buying a heat pump from Coop Obs BYGG Montering, we will get straight to our installer platform. We will then contact you and make an agreement, and then you will end up here. So we have received a lot of good feedbacks from the customers. They are really enjoying this digital journey. Oh, I think it's very easy. I think even my mother and father like that. So this is a typical installation. And normally we will have our inspection just to check the best solution for the customer, so the customer will get the maximum efficiency.
The heat pump saved the summer and our celebration of our child. I would say that I'm a handy guy, but installing a heat pump of course requires competence and of course an electrician, and I'm not either one of those. Sometimes you just want to get it done, and Obs BYGG Montering does it very well. Using Obs BYGG Montering is just like ordering food from Foodora. It's just a digital product that you're buying, and you as a customer just press the button on buying the product, and then it's delivered when you want it. So for our next project here in the house, we want to fix our windows and replace them, and of course do all of the roofing, which has a leakage. And of course we want to use Obs BYGG Montering as it is so easy to use, and of course as an end customer it's nice to have just someone doing it for you.